Is this air fryer really worth it? Let's find out. This model comes with a 5.8 quart basket. The temperature can be adjusted between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The baskets are dishwasher safe. This model has 11 presets and some pretty tasty and easy recipes that you can try. It has a sleek design and it's pretty intuitive to figure out. Push the safety button to release the inner basket. Some of the presets have a reminder for you to shake the basket. You can choose lots of different accessories. So once it turns on, then you'll notice some of the lights started. You'll have different settings. These are the presets. For example, beef, the preset is that, whereas fish is going to be this. Shrimp, bacon, America, 8 minutes. Now it's set. This is the button that turns it on. Now you're going to go to the bacon button right here. And then hit start. Do I think the COSORI Air Fryer is worth it? Yes, I think so. I find that I'm already using it 2 or 3 times a week. It preheats so much faster than a conventional oven. To get to 400 degrees, it only takes 5 minutes as opposed to 30 minutes. This is especially helpful in the summer when it's really hot and you don't want to heat up the house. It's also dishwasher safe and easy to clean. There's a wide variety of different types of accessories you can purchase. Thanks so much for stopping by, and comment below on what you'd like to see.